Hi, today let's learn how you can group product reviews inside a single category in AiTrillion. To group product reviews, all you have to do is log into AiTrillion, and in the left-hand side navigation bar at number 4, you will find product reviews. Click on that, and then at the very bottom, group product reviews. All you have to do is enter a group name, say I'll enter bracelet, and then click on add product handle. The product handle is basically the product ID or the product handle ID from Shopify. We have several help documents in our knowledge base on AiTrillion as well as on videos on YouTube, so you can have a look at that. So I'm going to enter one handle here, then click the blue button to enter one more handle. And with these basic settings, I'm going to click on Create Group. Now what is going to happen is reviews for the leather anchor. Let's say one more. I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to remove the one that came in as duplicate. I'm going to add one more. Let's say bangle bracelet. I'm going to click on update. So what's going to happen now is that the reviews for leather anchor and bangle bracelet will be grouped under the bracelet section. And if you want to look at your groups that you have created for reviews, you can always go to group product reviews. And the group product reviews, you'll have the group listing section where you will see your group, the product handles inside that group, the date it was created, and options to either edit your group or delete it entirely. That is all there is to group product reviews. Thank you for watching this video. And if you need further help or support, you can email us on support@aitrillion.com or live chat with us from our website, www.aitrillion.com. Thank you so much. Have a great day.